Hey, hello everyone and welcome to Software Tech. My name is Percy and in this video I'm excited to show you how to create an Instagram web-like application using Django with the help of ChatGPT. It's a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. We're going to walk through the steps of building this app from scratch. We'll cover everything from creating a Django project to implementing the core features of Instagram like viewing and uploading photos and adding attractive features like adding hearts to like photos like Instagram. That's cool, right? Okay, let's go do this together. Well, let's tell ChatGPT to create the whole project for us with the same characteristics as I said. A Django project like Instagram that has the ability to upload photos and view them. Just don't take it too hard. Be simple. For example, it doesn't want to have the ability to have a user or other things like login or sign up pages, but it has to be complete. Well, ChatGPT really helped us with every steps, even the installation of Django. He explained how to make the necessary models and views and what our HTML pages should look like. It's amazing. Okay, so we have upload pages photo.html and view photo.html as well as base.html. It's interesting. Nice. He also explained how to set up our urls.py and where to save our images. Finally, he gave us the simplest step of all, adding the app to our project and running it at a specific address. He even told us this. Thanks to ChatGPT, we can easily start from scratch and create our own projects. So, let's do this. Okay, so first we have to choose a directory. For me, its name is 1org and we open CMD. We access it in CMD with cd commands. And then I create an environment and activate it. Now, according to ChatGPT, I install Django using pipe install Django and done. Now, for step 2, I create a Django project with the command Django admin start project, and I also name the project Instagram. Okay, we go to Instagram folder and I open VS Code. So, according to ChatGPT, for the further step, we will create an app and name the app main app. Now, it's very simple to add everything that ChatGPT says, like models and views, and we also add HTMLs, which are view photos.html and base.html and upload photo.html. So let's do this. And we also do the magnet, which was said in step 5. Well, we run the project and our page is ready, and we see that it has made the upload form great. Of course, don't get hard, can make it beautiful in the next questions. So, we test and upload the photo. It looks like a problem showing the images, and I think it is related to urls.py. Yeah, ChatGPT had misunderstood me and had not made the page that all the photos were in, and he made the page of each photo separately. Oh, this time came true, but the photos did not load correctly. So, we tell ChatGPT that we have this problem Well, it tells us that we should make this change in urls.py, and in fact we should add the media address to the accessible URLs. So we test it, and as we can see, it worked correctly. Nice. Now we are going to make it beautiful, friends, but we will tell ChatGPT to do it, and first we will tell it to create the base.html style. Okay, first we will make base.html okay. And then we tell him to create a style for base.html for us. So we add this style to our project. Nice. As you can see, he created a beautiful nav bar for us. That's great. Now we will improve the style of the upload page. Well, he used Bootstrap, so we asked him how to add it. Okay, downloaded the file we need, and then we add the two mentioned file to the project. Now I import them to upload photo.html. Wow, something happened. The result is great. It is very good that we were able to reach this result in a short period of time using ChatGPT. Nice. So now let's do the same for view photos.html. Let's go. It's nice. Thank you, ChatGPT, thank you. Now, let's put a like button for each photo, like Instagram. And also, I have to mention that we don't want users. Anyone can like. Now we tell him to show the number of likes next to the button for each photo. I think it's beautiful. So of course we have to migrate and then run the project. It's really unbelievable. It is very good. And as you can see, we can like every photo and it shows the number of likes, and even the number of likes is saved. It has become really unique. We have officially made an important part of Instagram. Now, if there is only the ability to log in and register, then it will officially become Instagram itself. If you want to do this, tell us in the comments. Thank you for your time with me. Follow us on YouTube. Thank you so much, guys. Goodbye.